Hey, what's up, everybody? And thank you for tuning in. Today, I want to share 3 steps to becoming a government contractor. And why is this important, right? Government contracting, you just want to think of it as one of the top paying clients you can ever acquire as a small business. And I'm talking to those businesses who are professional service providers, which means you have a service based business. I'm Karwanna D. If you're new to my channel, have never heard of me before, I'm a business growth strategist, and I teach women and minority small business owners who are professional service providers how to grow their business with government contracts. And these are large contracts that you can obtain as a small business owner, by simply selling your services to the government, which they do buy. Today, I'm going to share with you over the next few minutes 3 steps to becoming a government contractor. And that is going to be important because, there's a bunch of steps in between, but for the most part, you can kind of sum it up into these 3 steps. Okay. So, if you are a small business owner and you're looking for a way to, kind of grow your business to a sustainable income, you're tired of chasing customers to kind of really have consistent, regular paying customers and something that's going to sustain you over years to come, then this is going to be important for you. So, doing business with the government is one of the best things that you can do. Why not? I don't understand why I wouldn't understand why anyone who can, get paid 5 to 10 times more than they're getting paid on an individual basis by individual customers or other small business owners wouldn't want to, get paid more by doing business with one of the largest entities in the world, right? Which is the government. So again, I'm going to share with you the 3 main steps to becoming a government contractor. Okay. So, um, number one is going to be your business foundation. Okay. So first of all, let me just be very clear because I have people come and they want to know if they can get contracts if they're MLM, and you actually have to own the business. So you have to be your own boss. Like if you can't take that business and sell it, then that's not your business. If you can't take that business and eliminate it, do whatever you want to do with it, then it's really not your business. And so I just want to be very clear. You have to be the owner. Your name is on the business license in order to be able to sell your business or your services to government agencies. So that's very key. But your business foundation is going to be key, right? So there's a bunch of different documents that you have to have, which includes having a business license. So even if you're a freelancer, you want to and you want to do business with the government, you have to take that next step, right? To actually form a business, get your business license. Okay, so there's some documentations, and I'm gonna mention some of them. Those documents. Okay, that would include a business license. You have to also have your EIN, which is like your business social security number, basically. And then there's some other documents like tax documents that proves that you are a small business owner, and then let me see, you have to have a business email, phone number, and there's some other things, right? So your business foundation. So once you have a solid business foundation, meaning that you're a legitimate business owner and you have that established, the next thing is you want to basically raise your hand and let the government know that you're a small business. And not only that, but you want to claim your social status. Okay, I'm a minority small business, and I'm a woman who's a minority small business as well, or I'm a disadvantaged business, meaning that I don't have access to, large lump sums of funding for my business and I need help, right? So there's a bunch of different statuses that you can claim. Okay, so number one is having that business foundation, right? So you have to have a business. Number two is you have to claim your social status, and number three is which is the easy part that you're going to be able to do forever, is find and bid on opportunities. That's it, right? Those are the 3 simple stages to getting started with government contracts. Number one, have a business. Number two, claim your social status. And from there, you are qualified to bid on opportunities. And that is something that you can do for a lifetime. So, and you guys, there's no limit to how many contracts you can have simultaneously. There's no limit to how large a contract, but you don't want to take on more than you have the capacity to deliver on, because it's not free money. It's money for your business. It's a customer. So you have to provide the service. It's not a grant. These are contracts for you to do business. Okay. And so those are the three main steps to getting started with government contracts. And it's something, again, like I said, will sustain you for a lifetime until you figure you're ready to retire. And so this is going to be the best way to really, I would say, quadruple your business. And you can do this in a very short time. I would say, like, at least the next 6 to 12 months, you'll really be able to see your business, quadruple or bigger, right? Or go bigger or whatever. So if you're a small business owner and you provide a professional service and you're ready to multiply your business, you're ready to get consistent, sustainable income, you're tired of chasing customers and you're tired of trying to figure it out all on your own, you don't really have a marketing budget, and the great thing about this is you don't have to spend money on advertising, because once you do those three things, you're in, right? Over the next 6 months, if you're ready to really grow your business and see those results, I have a free masterclass that tells you exactly how it all works. So drop a line below, drop a comment below, leave me a line and let me know if you want me to share it. I'll share with you my free masterclass that tells you in detail how these three phases work. Okay, so I'm Karwanna D. Thank you so much for watching. This was the 3 steps to becoming a government contractor's, for your business. Okay. And if you have any questions, drop me a comment below as well. But definitely, if you want access to my free masterclass, I'm willing to share that so you understand exactly how these 3 phases work together. Okay. So you guys have a great week. Have a great weekend. Be safe, and I'll check you next time.